7-year birthday.
Never have ever thought that I would stay in a company for 4 years. I remember Vincent's background for his Zoom interview was some scientific whiteboard or some shit.
My name is Kaylee.
Hi guys, I'm Alan. Yay!
I'm Hai Ying.
Hi, I'm Victor So.
Hello, I'm Lisha from LIA Interior Affairs.
My name is Win.
Hi, I'm Rochelle.
Hi, my name is Alan Dion.
My name is Vincent.
My name is Daryl.
I'm LV. I'm 20 plus years old. Hi, my name is Hai Ying. Hi everyone, I'm Gloria from LIA. Hi, I'm Mai.
Hi, my name is Aaron.
Hi, my name is Julian.
Hello, 我叫 Jurandy. Hi, my name is Lynette.
This is my 4th year in this industry in LIA also.
6 years already.
About 2.5 years.
3 years already.
3 years? Yeah.
I'm with LIA for 7 years now.
4 years already.
For 1.5 years.
I have been in this industry for like 8 years. Yeah, LIA 7 years.
4 years.
About 2 years? Almost 4 years. 3 years now.
So this year will be my 3rd year in LIA.
I've been here for like 10 years. I'm just kidding, it's only like 5 years.
About 4 years each plus.
3年多. I just joined recently, now for about 2 months.
Family.
Fun.
Very fun.
Fun. LIA is very fun.
Motivation?
Home.
There's only one word, which is crazy.
Crazy.
A bit crazy, but hardworking. Happening.
Love.
Maybe a band like Cigarettes After Sex. Yeah.
Maybe Kanye West?
Taylor Swift.
Rapid.
Vladimir Putin.
Doja Cat. I think JJ Lin, cause like, I mean, realistic, right? He stays in Singapore.
J-Cho.
Senior.
Rihanna. Ella. Kim Kardashian. Elon Musk.
Naomi Neo? Because her current house right now is like one of my style.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
I would choose Andy Warhol.
范冰冰的 Alvin Ng 黄俊雄
I want to design for Ruru Sama.
I'm 100% Victor will be at the darts machine.
I think Lisha will win a soft toy in the claw machine.
I think Alan Lee will get quite drunk.
I'm very good with predictions, so the first one that's gonna sing right is definitely Aaron. First one to get drunk is definitely not me. Prediction of night, lots of fun.
I think everyone will enjoy the night.
Of LIA. A few days that I confirmed I got in and then texted me saying like, "Hi, I'll see you at showroom on this day, okay?" My horror. So you gave me the pin code for the showroom. Then when I entered, right, there was nobody. Nobody. Telling my clients are like, wow, when I introduce about LIA, right, it's like I always say this slogan to them, like LIA always like work hard and then play even harder. So like, the reason why I say this right is because on day 1 of intern, when I first entered at 11 AM, there was nobody on school. Everyone can go for a 9 to 5 job, and that's when they become self-disciplined because they will do it for time. But I think time is on our own. We still keep our own responsibility. We still hold our own things to do and make sure that we still meet the requirements of homeowners, like meet deadlines or anything that we need to do in life.
Happy birthday, Joy. What brings me to go and play is when I see people first start out doing nothing. very eager to learn, to someone who can lead people now, who can lead a project now. Many people are very competitive, but when we slow down like today, thank you Aaron for booking a place like this. Booking a place like this, it slows us down at work. Like, we really take a step back and really enjoy each other's presence, and I think the process is a lot more enjoyable and more important than the end goal.
Taking another showroom at Old Fire Station Bukit Timah, where no one is making the first showroom, is a dumb move. Celebrating our first Chinese New Year and second showroom opening. Inviting all our family, friends, contractors, supplier, taking up angpaos to all our designer, and guess what? Our bank is zero. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you everyone very much.
Really love it and like enjoy this in this company. I was like, damn, pretty grateful. Okay, happy birthday, Ryan.